Hello, and thank you for joining us on our website. So today we just wanted to make a quick video to go over the types of services that we have to offer, and also going to share a little bit more information about who we are and how we can benefit you. So let's go ahead and dive right in. My name is JP Luckfield. I'm the owner of JPL Business Consulting, and today we're going to be talking about the credit repair leads that we have to offer. So who are we and why should you trust us, right? So our companies have actually partnered with two really big um, movers in this industry. The first one being Mr. Kevin Harrington himself from the Shark Tank. I mean, you've all seen the Shark Tank show. You know, he's one of the original cast members on there. Really big and successful businessman in his own right. And the second individual I'd like to talk about is Philip F. Smith, who's actually my mentor. He was a part of the Inc. 5000 honoree list. He was a 2008 and 2019 honoree, actually. And Phil Smith has actually had at least 16 years of experience in online marketing since 1998. He's had 8 years experience in lead generation and performance marketing, and he's sold 3 companies. One was an internet marketing company, and the other 2 were digital marketing companies. Pretty much all this to say that we have a really strong network, a really strong business network that you guys can tap into. You know, through our leads that we're able to generate for you, and also our lead generation platforms that we have to offer you. Okay, so that's just a little bit about the experience and network that we have to offer you guys. So let's go ahead and dive into what type of leads that we have. Currently, we generate about 1,000 leads per day. All leads are generated in-house. They have a under $100 CPA for all of our leads. The different types of leads we have to offer, first being web to phone leads, which come from tier 1 networks. They're all exclusive. These come from Google, Bing, social media, Facebook, Instagram. Next, we have our form fills, which are exclusive and shared. For the shared, we have a 3 buyers max, which means that these form fills can have no more than 3 buyers. This is just to ensure that there's a high level of quality and that these leads are not being watered down. Next, we have data, which can go all the way back up to a year, and that's another really affordable option. Next, we have the 24-hour-old missed web calls. So we generally get, typically in a regular business day, 150 missed calls. So you're able to buy these leads the next day and call them immediately and go ahead and start converting them into customers. Again, they're not expensive, and this is definitely an option to consider if you are on a very tight budget. Again, these are some of the freshest age data in the industry. So what info do you receive? So for the form fills and age data, it comes with the first name and the last name. It comes with the city, state, and zip. At least 1 phone number, sometimes we will provide 2. The email of the person, and the debt amount of that person. So if you gotta reach us or wanna reach us or contact us, here's my info: jplbusinessconsulting@gmail.com. There's my phone number, and yeah, we just really we're excited and we can't wait to get started and help you out and see what we have to offer. Take care.